All right, my name is Kyle and I'm with Tom and Jerry's. Today we're going to be doing day one of a demo build with a Honda 350 on a 240 Ocean Pro. Who's ready? We are drilling a hole for the rigging tube. We are drilling the holes for the rigging tube adapter. Grabbing the deburr tool and a vacuum so we can clean the hole up. Screwing it in. Right? Now we're going to do the holes for the motor to hang. So we got to get the mounting plate, the tape measure, and clamps. We are now marking the holes for hanging the motor. So we have to center it on the transom. And this is your rigging plate or hole plate, placement plate. Grabbing the drill. The good drill.
You can unplug it for now.
Yeah, because I'm going to. Cutting oil makes drilling the hole easier. We are drilling holes for the motor. This is to hold all our tools on so that we don't damage the boat while we're working. It's just a little box protector that they made carpeted so there's no scratches. So what we're going to do is we're going to uncrate the new 350. We're going to pre-hang it to get our holes figured out, what height we are for engines, and then also drill the next two set of holes so we have enough mounting hardware on this because it's so heavy. And then we're going to pull it back, drill the holes, and then mount it.
Somebody go give him that.
Hey, where'd you find that one? I'm trying not to scratch this bad. I got it.
that. They have a guide.
Holy. We are now installing the brackets to hang the motor. Okay, so that one's this side. That one's this side. Which means, where is our other one?
Do you think Kyle's gonna find the third mount?
No, no way at all.
Does that thing come off? I don't even know.
So you got the side ones?
Yeah, I figured out those ones.
You got them on?
No.
No.
Do I have to take that?
So undo this, and then this comes out here, and then that one goes in there.
Really?
Seriously.
Really?
You serious?
I would have never found that.
No, you wouldn't have. The only reason I know how to get it is because I had to find it last time.
Yeah. I had to be shown where the third mount was because I had no idea where it was. I had to ask somebody more knowledgeable than me. Oh my God. Lifting chains. We're putting the chains on so we can lift the motor.
Well, we didn't have that other one when we were picking the other one up, but.
Uncrating uncrating the motor with the razor blade in my mouth. Up. Straight up. Okay, that's a gnarly crate. I make a good table. Hang it temporarily so that we can mark the second set of bolt holes for the top. We got this.
Ready?
All right.
Yep. We got to hang this motor for height and then mark the second set of holes. We've done this once or twice. You want to hand me the 17 over there? Shane, should I use the third or fourth? I think it's right on the money. Looks a little high. No, it doesn't. Look at where the cab plate lines up. There you go, film this, because this is what you do for height.
See? We good. Right on the nose.
Shane, can you explain this test?
This test is to make sure that your cavitation plate is even with the bottom of your boat for the perfect engine height.
I think it's right on the money.
I don't have speakers though.
Ah! No! Why me? I do got to take that bracket off. That sucks. It means I got to remove the bracket so that we could turn the motor so I can drill the holes, because we don't have the right size drill bit that we need. Nope. So, see if this one is.
Get it? You need to move this motor around now? You didn't do it?
Nope. I did the top, but it still won't be enough. You have to do the, yeah, the whole thing's got to come off. That thing is stupid. And that battery's dead too. Throw that one. The last steps we're doing is we are going to seal the bolt holes with 5200 and mount the motor, and that will be the end of today. And then we will pick it up tomorrow when we start the next step.
Seal it up good, Kyle.
I got 5200 all over me. It's all over me. We are hanging the motor now that we know where everything goes, and it's sealed to the transom. And that's a wrap from day one. Let's see you guys again tomorrow.